guys and welcome to my kitchen. So today we're gonna do a Greek dish. It's called moussaka or moussakas in Greek. And today we're gonna do the vegetarian version of it, so without meat. I'm so excited because it's one of my favorite dishes. For the vegetarian moussaka we need potatoes, aubergine, mozzarella and halloumi cheese, tomato sauce, tomato paste, olive oil, garlic and onions, herbs and spices. So let's get started. After preheating the oven, we're gonna cut the potatoes and the aubergine and we're gonna put it on 2 baking sheets and then we're gonna put it in the oven. So now we're gonna put the 2 baking sheets in the oven. We're gonna wait until they are baked and soft. In the meantime, we're gonna make the tomato sauce. We have everything ready and now comes the fun part and my favorite, where we're gonna mix everything together. So we have the baked aubergine and potatoes, the tomato sauce and halloumi and mozzarella cheese. And we're gonna do 1 layer of potato, 1 layer of aubergine, tomato sauce and cheese. And again, 1 layer potatoes, 1 layer aubergine, tomato sauce and cheese. And that's it. So, potatoes. I really like this part. It's my favorite. So try to cover all the spaces between the potatoes because this is the basis. So this is good if you have smaller pieces to put it in between. So you're gonna cover everything. So we have 1 layer of potatoes. Now comes the aubergine, tomato sauce and cheese. Really want to cover everything so every piece gonna have cheese and everything in the end. Don't forget the corners. So now again. So it's ready, our moussaka, and we're gonna put it in the oven for 20 minutes. It's 20 minutes later. Smells so good. Can't wait to try it. So basically, we're gonna leave it for 1 hour to cool it down and rest. And then we can cut it and try it out together. So you guys, that's it with today's video and the vegetarian moussaka. I hope you like it. You can find the recipe in the description box down below. Thank you for watching. Leave me a comment if you make the recipe. See you next time. Ciao! I can eat it all. It's so yummy.